Today I'm going to be doing the haircut tutorial of the character named John Bender, who is played by Judd Nelson in the classic movie The Breakfast Club. And I should have done this many years ago, but I still get requests for this. And you know what? I'm over the TikTokers, man. I'm over them, to be honest with you. So I'm really looking forward to doing this haircut. And it's a fairly kind of choppy, layered haircut throughout the ends, and I'm going to execute the haircut and then I'll break it down at the end.
Crazy Monday, I know it shows that I'm a little nervous. I've just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you, so let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down.
Okay, everyone, here is the finished result, and I think there were times where I was kind of styling this, and I said, oh my gosh, this literally looks exactly like John Bender, the character from the Breakfast Club. The first thing I did is I established the length throughout the back, which, as you can see, is just past the bottom of the neck and through here. And then what I did is I started on the side here. The side length is definitely kind of right below the ear area, right in through here. You need to make sure you have some length right here that connects into the back, right? So, you know, sometimes these haircuts it could be a result of a grown out haircut or something a little bit more choppy, but this is a very kind of lived in, very choppy type looking layered haircut, which is definitely cool, and it could not have been any better for the character. So again, same thing on this side, went right here with the side length or the bottom length, and then this all kind of blends in and works in through here. For the layering, now what we have to keep in mind and really take into consideration is I wanted to keep these layers a bit longer in through the top, and also this part right in through here. From the scalp all the way down, you could see the layering starts kind of right around this area. So this is all pretty much one, I would say one length, but the layering all starts here because when you see him in the movie, when he runs his fingers through his hair a lot, it just falls right back down, right into place. That's because the weight of it, it's not layered, it's gonna just fall. Then what I did is I connected the back in through the top and through here, again, making a connection, keeping the layers a bit longer, and then I brought everything out square meaning the square layering leaves the corners here, so it's leaving some length. And throughout the bottom here is where I focused a lot of the layering, right? So then what I did is I went back with the razor to really break it up and give it that edgy kind of PC look right in through here. Also, the way I layer this, and this is a little trick that I've learned over the years of hair cutting, is that when you hold the hair horizontally out and you flip it and you start to build the layering horizontally, that's what gives you those flips in through here throughout the bottom, and you're able to control where you put that. So I really just placed those layers right in through the side here to give it that look. I used my Tidal Wave sea salt spray, blow dried it with my hands, and here we have the finished result. Thank you all so much for watching. I get so many requests for haircuts. Some of them I'm not gonna do, some of them I'll get around to doing, but I love to hear the requests. Let me know what you think about this video. And for those of you who have been asking for this for the last like 5 to 7 years, here you go. I eventually got around to it. Let me know what you think. I personally feel that this looks almost exactly like the character John Bender from The Breakfast Club. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.